Welcome to our Year 7 African drumming circle called Bang On, hosted by Dan Weston, one of our drum teachers. So this is in response to the coronavirus, obviously, and we can't run our normal tasters program for orchestral instruments. It's a great way for the Year 7 pupils to learn and support what we do in class. They're learning rhythm grids in class at the moment, so this supports it really well. There are 3 20-minute sessions by each of the 3 classes in Year 7, and next week we'll have Year 8 down here doing exactly the same thing. We'll have sessions all the way up to half term and most likely beyond for the time being, and we look forward to presenting this at a lunchtime concert soon.